Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to unbox and do a quick review of Apple Watch Ultra. Let's get started. First, let's check the box. At the front, you'll see here the Apple Watch logo. At the top, bottom, and at the side, there's nothing there. And at the back, you'll see here that I got the Apple Watch Ultra Midnight Ocean Band. Let's open this. Okay, so what I get is the Midnight Ocean Band. You'll see that the design here is an ocean with a dark color. First, this is the manual. So the manual here is really informative. You'll see lots of quick starter guide. And then we have the box for the actual device. And we also have the box for the Midnight Ocean Band. First, let's check the band. As I mentioned, I've got the Midnight Ocean Band, so it's a dark color waterproof band. Yeah, and it has one size. Let's open this. Okay, you will also see here the instruction how to connect the band to the Apple Watch, and we have the actual band itself. We have three pieces of the band here. Two to connect at the both sides of the Apple Watch. And we have a metal here to put in place the longer end of the band if you wear it on your wrist. The band, as I mentioned, is made of rubber. It's color black and it's a little elastic. Next, let's check the box of the actual device. This is the design of Apple Watch Ultra, and this is a little elevated as usual. And at this side, you see the description that says Ultra titanium case with 49mm size. Let's open this. What we have here is the charging cable. We have the USB-C to wireless cable, and you will also notice that the cable is braided, meaning it's higher quality than the normal ones. And the Apple Watch Ultra itself. The display size is 49mm and made of sapphire crystal meaning it will not scratch that easily. The frame is made of titanium. The back is made of glass and is protected by ceramic shield. At this side, based from the manual, this is the altimeter and depth gauge. This is the crown, and it has now a crown guard. This is the side button, and this is the microphone. And at the other side, we have here the speaker, the action button, and the speaker for the siren. This emits high intensity sound. And as well as we have GPS here, which is dual frequency for higher precision. For the spec, it is IP6X certified, up to 100 meters water resistant. It is also military standard 810H certified as well as ECG certified. For the display, as I mentioned, the size is 49 millimeters or 1.92 inches. It has Retina LTPO OLED up to 2000 nits of brightness. The resolution is 502 by 410 pixels with 338 pixel density. The glass, as I mentioned, is also protected by sapphire crystal, and it has always on display. For the chipset, it has the new Apple S8 dual-core CPU, and it also has the 32 gigabytes internal storage. And this has lots of sensor like accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate, barometer, always-on altimeter, compass, oxygen level, body temperature, as well as water temperature. This also has ECG, and as well as car crash detection. Finally, for the battery, it has 542 milliamperes of battery that can last up to 36 hours of normal use. For the best part, let's try it out. There you go, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos, and see you in the next one.